To the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious dessert that's going to be lemon posset. Very interesting, tasty dessert from the 18th century, and it's a classic British dessert. If you're new here, please do remember, like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment, and just to let you know, you're welcome and I'm happy to have you. Stay tuned for this video. So to make this delicious lemon posset, one of the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get the zest, some of the zest of these lemon. So this about all right. So the next step is I'm gonna get the juices out of these lemon. Today I'll be using about 3 to 4 lemons. I'm just gonna squeeze them into this. So after that, I'm just gonna pass this through the sieve. I'll be using some condensed milk in. Next, 2 egg yolk. Next thing, 2 teaspoons corn flour. Next, I'm going to add my lemon zest in. Next, I'll be adding some double cream in. So the double cream is in. I'll be adding some sugar to this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the mixture to this container, put it into a pot, and we're going to cook it for a couple minutes. So make sure you keep stirring it. And once it starts to boil, what you're trying to do is to cook out the egg yolk and a little bit of the cornstarch. As you can see, it started to boil. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this off and let it cool. Then we pour it in our chosen dish or glass or container. As you can see. So just get your glass. So I will be using small glass like this. So that should be enough. I think I can put some more in the other one. So I'll get about 2 of them. So now I'm going to show you how to garnish it. I'm going to use just a slice of lemon. That should be okay. So I'm just going to put a lemon on the side like so. A slice of lemon. And I'll be using some fresh raspberry. Probably put about 2 of them there. Look at this beauty. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Please do remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment.